So I just been also planning to make a video about this, but I forgot to do so. So I'm doing it right now. Uh, we have to talk about this. Uh, I think you noticed that like few months ago I made a video on my channel talking about the Discord's replacements that I recommend to go with whenever Discord fucks up. Yeah, that was because Discord was planning to launch a worldwide global age ID verification. It backlashed super bad because people started canceling Nitro subscriptions and everything just went the downhill. They just simply did not want to, yeah, they refused because we know the history of Discord's very recent data breaches that happened. First, it was claimed to be only 70,000, and then it turned out to be more than 2 million of government ID and personal information being stolen because of the data breach that happened in October. I think there was even another data breach that happened very recently that had over 10 million user info stolen. And they still decide to push it like this. So yeah, I checked on this page because it's the one that is heavily relevant 5 days ago. So, as you can read, between June and July 2026, we're testing a few new assurance methods, including Google Wallet and the credit card check to provide more information. For the small percentage of users who mainly use manual age assure, we will also be testing ID scan and selfie methods with a new vendor Encode, who needs our strict requirements. So yeah, you can read this probably yourself. So basically, Discord is pushing back the HID verification, but this time with much more, even worse sensitive methods, which should alarm you that no, do not give them anything. I'll just say it straight up. Don't give them anything. Oh yeah. As part of our strengthening teen safety and supporting age-appropriate experiences, we're continuing to add more our global age assurance package and delaying broader global expansion until the second half of 2026. Yeah, you can read this. So these are the ones which they need to do. Yeah. This is but well, yeah. So Discord is once again fucking up. Which should note you that if thankfully I still don't have this age group thing in my account settings as I did before, but then they removed it because of the backlash. Thankfully I still don't have it. But if it appears, I'm gonna be like, oh, okay, you know what, fuck it, I'm not gonna do anything. Okay? I will not do anything. But if Discord is gonna be throwing me the age verification bullshit into my face all the fucking time when I'm gonna try to do something that I just want to do. Like, if they will keep fucking pushing this bullshit onto my face when I don't want to do it, and if they will not allow me to do most basic things I can do without verifying myself with this bullshit methods, if they start doing that on me, that's when I say goodbye Discord, and that's when I say hello to a replacement. I'm done with this whole bullshit. I'm making this video as an announcement. Please do not give Discord any of your personal information, any of your anything like that that is sensitive and should be kept only with you, that no one else should have access and information about, like your personal stuff, like the IDs, photos and everything. I know that when you make photo of yourself and post it on Discord, it's being scanned and you know that people can see it. But we're talking about the personal sensitive information that can be stolen and manipulated the way you do not want it. So please do not give Discord anything. Say fuck off Discord to them. Don't give them anything. And you know, I'll say it like this, just like I said. If I am gonna be able to use Discord even with the fact that I will have that age group option in my user settings, but if I will keep using, if I will be able to keep using Discord without needing to verify myself, so if I will be able to do stuff that I want to do without verifying myself, then that's okay, I will keep using it, as long as everything is gonna be alright. But once it comes with the day when Discord decides to like lock me and prevents me to do anything that I can do without verifying myself, because I do not want to verify myself and I will never do, especially on platform like Discord. If they will lock me like this and not allow me to do anything, that's when I say fucking goodbye. That is when I go and say goodbye Discord. I'm deleting Discord, I'm deleting everything, I'm deleting my account, I'm deleting completely everything, and I'm moving to replacements, which I already have prepared over here. So yeah, that's the thing. I just wanted to make this announcement video so you guys are very careful because of... Hold on, let me find it real quick. Because of this, my friend, who is a moderator on another of my friend's server, has posted this. And I'm like, nah bro, fuck it. So yeah, that's all to say. Thank you very much guys for watching. Stay safe. Fight for your freedom and privacy. Do not give Discord anything. And like I said, if you are going to be able to use Discord normally, even with this already being the thing on the platform itself, and if they will not lock you from doing anything without verifying yourself, like if you will be able to use Discord without verifying, then that's okay. But if they lock you, like when you're gonna be using a Discord one day and they will lock you exactly that day, uninstall, delete everything, delete your account, delete completely every little last information and everything from this platform and move to a replacement, like I am prepared to do that. Thank you very much guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Sadly no Konata this time. She's resting right now. Bye and have a good day everyone.